Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking to make money online and want to know the best trending skills to offer on Fiverr, you are in the right place. Today I'm sharing three low competitive and easy to learn skills that can help you stand out and start earning quickly. So let's jump right in. The first skill that I'm going to talk about is under this category, programming and tech, and that is Webflow. If we simply search Webflow here, you will see that more than 6,600 people are offering this service. But to be honest, this is not so much competitive. If we compare this to WordPress, then you will see that WordPress on this skill, there are more than 100,000 people offering this service. So first up, we have Webflow. Webflow is a popular website builder that combines the ease of a drag and drop editor with the flexibility of coding, just like WordPress, but it's more user friendly and more easy than WordPress. So it's perfect for people who want to create stunning websites without getting deep into the coding. So the Webflow, it's being very popular these days. If you wanna see how many people are using Webflow, so you can see that there are more than 3.5 million designers and teams using its platform over 190 countries. By 2021, there were 400 and 480,000 people, 480,000 websites made on Webflow. So you can understand that how popular it's really becoming. So if you are offering your service on Webflow, then there is a strong possibility that you get your offer. And I'm not saying that you create a gig just like them, just like the 6,000 people. You can simply make your niche even more smaller, uh, like Webflow fitness trainer website, Webflow doctor website, clone Webflow website. So we can simply search clone Webflow. Then you will see there are only 353 results. So this category is a real success. If you create a gig on clone Webflow, then there is a strong possibility that you will get an instant order because there is not so much competition on this niche. You can see these people are getting real orders. This freelancer has got more than 1,000 orders because he has like 392 reviews. If we simply check his gig, you will see that he already has 10 orders in his queue. So this thing, this niche is really helpful. So I hope you got the idea of how to create low competitive gig. Now I'm gonna talk about two more skills uh, to make this video more helpful for the designers as well. Well, you can start making money with Canva. I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel on Canva, so you can simply learn how to create a thumbnail, create a logo using Canva. So you can learn that, and just like I did for Webflow, you can simply make the competition low by searching some specific niche like Canva design for, you can do your own research, Canva flyer design. So if we simply search it, there are only 828 results. So there is a strong possibility that you will get your order if you create a gig on this niche. And the next one is SEO content writing. Yeah, SEO is being very popular, and SEO is changing. Not everything is same as always. So if you're good at marketing, and if you like to offer your service as an SEO expert, then do your research. You can write product description. You can do on-page SEO, off-page SEO, link building. There are many things on SEO. I'm just covering all these three things like web development, content writing, and designing, so that you get an idea of the designing perspective, web development perspective, and you see there are a lot of categories available here. So you can simply go through each of them and find out a low competitive niche. So for this video, I have just given you an idea, tips and tricks on how to find out low competitive gig to create on Fiverr. So I hope this video is helpful for you. I will see you in the next one.